Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about how to resolve that permissions denied issue in Ansible while running the any playbook file. So playbook.yml file or any xyz.yml file. So you will get that issue like a fatal clone, and instead of a localhost your IP address will be there, and SSH error permission denied, publickey gssapi keyex gssapi with mic passwords and something like that. So for overcome of these solutions, I'm just going to do that a small demo for that, and I have already installed that CentOS with a Vagrant, and my current directory is home Vagrant. I have a few files like host tutorial by example.yml and provision.sh. so see what is the purpose of a file and all. So first I'll start that a host file. So make sure for host file there is no extension, and instead of a host you can put that like your dev, stage, qa, prod and whatever you want. So in this file I have just added one bab, and then there is one IP address which is nothing but a local in my same IP address of this Unix environment CentOS. So it's configure 127.0.0.0.1. Now you understand these ones. After that I have a tutorial by example.yml. so in this is a YML file where we have put that only one ping action, and I'll discuss that in more. So for any YML file, this is that syntax triple hyphen we have to provide for beginning of the code, and it will considered as a YML. After that we have to mention that a host. In host we have mentioned that as a bab, then I have to put over here as a bab, let it be sudo is equal to sudo yes, Vagrant vr is nothing, then it will be task. So task is nothing but list of activity what we are going to do. So my first task is checking the server alive or not, it's able to ping or not. So it action and immediate clone, what actions I'm going to perform, that is a ping. So this is all about a tutorial by example.yml file, and then I'll save and close it. Now we'll see that provision that is sh, which is nothing but executable like a ss file which have that list of a set of command. Like first I'm doing that cp, where I'm just moving that my host file to temp directory. Reason why, because sometime with a particular user will not get that access, and due to that you will get that fatal exceptions. And chmod -x, I'm just making sure your host file is have permissions for my current user as a consider this file as a executable. And then after I'm just making sure sudo Ansible playbook has a general syntax. This is for debugging purpose, passing that inventory in temp locations, not in my home. And then home Vagrant tutorial by YML file, I'm passing that -u which user I'm going to run. I'm prompting the -k for password. I'll save it. from outside. Now I just did that ch emoji 777 to provision.sh. I just put that 777. It's not required because I want to make this SS file is like runnable. So I just want to run now with a dot provision.sh, and we'll get that. It will prompt in the password as expected. I have to provide the password what I have root, and then our playbook will be a start, and it will be not come that error what we were getting. It will take few seconds. It's done. We got that output. It's saying that ping check is alive, and it's got that ping pong. Now for what we have to do, another thing before this one, we have to perform SSH root at the rate of 127.0.0.1. It will ask the password. You have to provide that your password, and it will add that your public and private key for that public key, and you can verify it from ls-ltr-etc ssh. No, sorry, it will be there in current directory, user directory. root.ssh. So you'll get that a known host is nothing public key. So what you have to do in SSH host known host, if you'll edit this file, then you will be see that entry is there for this one is nothing but the key is added for that, and with help of that I am able to access. So you have to perform this step before doing all those things, and you have to make sure you are able to log in with that. As of now I'm in that one. So I come back. So this is all about how to overcome with the issue like a fatal error running that Ansible file, SSH error permissions and something like that. In Ansible I have put that textual information over here. You can go copy paste or you can run it, and if you have any concerns, don't hesitate, put your concerns in providing over here. If you don't want to disclose your ID, just choose that any user ID and put your comment. Definitely I'll respond on it once I have a time. Thank you very much for watching my video, and the video will be there over here after this heading, or you can find that in video link. Otherwise you can search this blog, and if you type that this error message, you will get that the video and that link itself. Hoping you have enjoyed watching my video and your problem got resolved. Please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe.